Hi, I'm going to work this out, and we'll get to it. So first we're going to make a scanner. Remember, you can name it something other than scan, but you have to remember what you named it. We're using next line because it's a string. All right, so now I've collected a phrase and I've collected a key. And what happens is if the key is present in the phrase, print a revised phrase where it swaps it around. Okay, if the user enters an empty key, print key not found, and don't try to swap anything. And if the key is not found in the phrase, print key not found, and don't try to swap anything. So I'm going to take care of the negatives first. If key.length is 0, meaning it's empty, or phrase.index of key equal -1, that means key is not in phrase, then I'm going to do something. Otherwise, I'm going to do something else. And what I told you to do is to say if it's empty or it's not found, to say key not found. So that's right here. Okay, so that's that part. This is a Boolean, compound Boolean situation. You could do it differently. I did an or because it's like if it's empty or if it's not there, then we're going to say key not found. All right, so then now we're going to print the thing. We're going to print the answer and it'll be a piece of cake. I like to have an example. So dog, cat. All right, so I'm going to say bone is my key. And I just want to have this as an example, where we have something specific to talk about. So what I want to return is we're going to swap what was in front is going to be at the end, and what was at the end is going to be in front. So we got to find these parts. We could do it. Why don't we do it? String A equals, I'm going to grab the front. So if we do index of key, we're going to get the number 4. Sorry, we're going to get the number 3. And if we do substring 0, 3, we're going to get the first part of the word. So that's what I'm going to grab right here. Phrase.substring 0, phrase.index of key. So what this does is it grabs, in my example, it would grab the word dog. And you know what? I'm going to just print it so we can make sure that we're doing it. So I'm going to run it. I guess I got a semicolon missing right here. Sorry about that. Dog, bone, cat, bone, and it found dog. Great. So then let's do string B equals phrase. Now, if I want the word cat, what I want is index of key, which will be 3, plus the length of key. So this gets a little bit tricky, but watch this. Substring, we want to start at phrase.index of key. That's where we're going to start. No. We're starting at that plus key.length. So I said it out loud and then I did it. Let's print it, make sure. I don't know what happened there, but wasn't correct. Okay. You know, when I type really fast, I get that asterisk on there, and I don't know, did it go to a new line? Okay, it's probably good now. Easier to read, stretched out. Dog, bone, cat, please enter key, bone. We got cat, we got dog. Oh, I see, I printed them out in the wrong order. Anyway, I'm getting rid of those two prints because I got the right things. So now, if I've got dog and I've got cat, I want to reverse it. So I'm going to go B plus key plus A. And it should be the answer. And you could do it all in a single line. Bone dog, yeah. So let's test when it's an empty key. Here's something, and then I'm entering nothing for the key. That's great. And here's something, and my key is the word bone, and it says key not found. Yeah, so I've tested all three cases, and I'm done. Anyway, I hope that gives you what you need.